Hi, welcome to Hannah's World. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned chef, this video will guide you through the essential steps to effortlessly convert between different units of measurement commonly used in cooking. So let's unravel the mystery of the cooking conversion table together. Starting with volume, the smallest unit is a teaspoon. 3 teaspoons make up 1 tablespoon. So if a recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, you would need 6 teaspoons. This can be particularly useful when you don't have a tablespoon handy. Moving a step up, 2 tablespoons constitute 1 fluid ounce. Therefore, if you find yourself without a fluid ounce measuring tool, you can simply use 2 tablespoons instead. Next in line is the cup, which is equivalent to 16 tablespoons or 8 fluid ounces. So whether you're making a morning smoothie or a hearty soup, remember, 1 cup equals 16 tablespoons or 8 fluid ounces. The pint is next, and it equals 2 cups or 16 fluid ounces. So if you're making a larger batch of something, knowing that 1 pint equals 2 cups can be a lifesaver. A quart is the next larger unit, which equals 2 pints, 4 cups, or 32 fluid ounces. If you're preparing a big family meal, quarts might be your go-to measurement. At the top of the volume hierarchy is the gallon, which equals 4 quarts, 8 pints, 16 cups, or a whopping 128 fluid ounces. Now, let's switch gears and talk about weight. 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams. Moving up, 16 ounces make 1 pound, which also equals 453.59 grams. On the metric side, 1 gram is approximately 0.035 ounces. Scaling up, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, 35.27 ounces, or 2.2 pounds. Temperature conversions are also crucial, especially when baking. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply the Celsius temperature by 9/5 and then add 32. Conversely, to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit temperature and then multiply by 5/9. Remember, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, some miscellaneous conversions include 1 stick of butter is equivalent to half a cup, 8 tablespoons, or 4 ounces. A pinch is approximately 1/16 of a teaspoon, while a dash is approximately 1/8 of a teaspoon. In conclusion, understanding these key conversions can greatly enhance the accuracy of your cooking and baking, leading to more consistent and delicious results. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.